big fan of your work.
Thank you, thank you.
So you've mostly been associated with comic roles, and Kaleen Bhaiya is a complete transformation from your comic avatar. So how difficult was it to not be funny on screen?
बहुत मुश्किल था. इनफैक्ट मैं तो टेक करते हुए मुझे आके धीरे से गुरु और करण कान में बोलते थे कि सर कालीन भैया. तो मैं बोलता था हाँ कौन कालीन भैया. बोला आप. बोले अच्छा ओहो ठीक है एक और करते हैं. क्योंकि क्या ना कॉमेडी में बड़ा मज़ा आता है और एक्टर बड़ा आसानी से स्लिप हो जाता है. तो मैं हर जगह ह्यूमर ढूंढने लगूं तो ये क्रेडिट उन दोनों का है. बार बार आके सर कालीन भैया उनको लाइए, कालीन भैया को लाइए. मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक है. तो आप दोनों ने ये लाए हैं कालीन भैया को, इन्हीं का योगदान है, वरना मैं तो कॉमेडी ही कर लेता.
Thank you. Next question is to Ali, Arif Azal. So we heard that you put in an additional effort to become Guddu and even to look the part. What were the obstacles and how did you overcome them?
I made an effort today as well. It's trying to look good. It was quite hard. I didn't think I would ever be. I wouldn't cast me for this part, at least from the stuff that I've done before. मुश्किल बहुत मुश्किल था. मतलब like they said, you know, we were trying to squeeze in as much work in one day, and then so shooting those many hours and then training for 3 hours. I was literally I was on. This is not recommended. You should sleep more, ideally. But more than that, not just the body transformations. I think the bigger part was to get into the skin of that world. क्योंकि मिर्ज़ापुर जो हमने बनाया, it's this fictional world that we've created, but it connects with everything that we've seen, and it connects with the global audience. तो my idea was not कि यार वो मैं अगले शहर में किसी को समझ में आ जाए, उसके आगे समझाना है, सबटाइटल आएगा पता था. तो yeah, and a lot more. We had a longer chat.
Vikrant, what inspired you to say yes to playing Bablu?
Ali and the cast. Besides that, it was the writing primarily. क्योंकि जब पहले एपिसोड्स पढ़े, जब एपिसोड्स पढ़े तो मतलब everything just came out of the script, and I had not read something like this in a long time. And as in when I got to be a part of this thing, फिर जब पता चला कि कौन-कौन लोग इस project से जुड़े हैं, it was an opportunity I would, it was stupid man would miss.
Yeah, well, this is quite a coup, I have to say. Divyendu, you were talking about cute faces being serial killers and saying really harsh words. You happen to be a cute face as well. You should say thank you when a girl is paying you a compliment, but okay.
Sorry. Bad manners.
It must have been quite a bold step for you to take on such a dark character. So what motivated you to play Munna's role?
I think again the credit has to go to the writing. I mean, Munna is he's such a mad hatter, this guy. He is just the kind of emotions he's going through, the chemical reactions happen in his body because due to the chemicals also he does
yes.
as a character. But how he thinks and how he reacts, and it's so fascinating to discover a character like that, because who's so crazy, but at the same time, because of the good writing, you have those motivations for him as a character. He's not just going out there and just doing anything mindlessly. So the motivations were there, and I always say, Munna is a very troubled soul. He has everything. He's got a powerful father and a dada. They own the town, but there's a deep down vacuum inside, and he just wants to prove himself. He just tries too hard at times. So you feel sorry for him, but yeah.
Okay, moving on to Rasika. Beena's role in the trailer looks quite layered and complex. How challenging was the character for you? I don't think there are any challenges for Rasika Duggal, given the kind of actor she is. So how effortless was it for you, Rasika?
I think it was very interesting because she is very mysterious, and I think it was very new to finally play a character. And I don't think roles like that are written for women where your sexuality is acknowledged, at least. And Beena, I think, takes it to another level. But so you never know what's happening with her. I don't think she knows what's happening with her. She can be on this side or that side according to the day and the moment. And that was very interesting for me to play.
Shweta, any specific experience that you would like to share with everyone on being one of the women of Mirzapur?
I think the women of Mirzapur figured out that gun is not the only way to show power.
Okay.
And I think that's where the fun is. कि गन तो ठीक है लड़कों के पास हो सकती है या आप खरीद सकते हो, but it's a mind games that survival of the fittest, that you figure out ways how to get things done, and all the women across, like even the mothers or even the other female characters, they all are very strong. So it feels nice that when you're part of a script where it's not only your character you're in love with, but you really want to know what happens to all these characters or what happens in the next episode. So even when we got screeners and when we were watching, I was glued and I felt so proud. And Mirzapur is my favorite series so far, not because I'm a part of it, but I really think it's pretty awesome. So, yeah.
Okay. Shreya, we heard that you learnt a few new things during the shoot of Mirzapur. So can you share those instances with the audience?
I'll be forever grateful to Mirzapur because yes, I did learn quite a few things.
Such
I've always
as?
been scared of two-wheelers. And when the director and the writers, when they told me that एक scene है मिर्ज़ापुर में जहाँ मुझे बुलेट चलानी है और मैं आगे और गुड्डू पीछे, I said मैं गुड्डू को लेके कैसे चलाऊँ बुलेट? I can barely manage myself, you know, on a cycle. But I think every actor wants to take up a challenge, wants to overcome a fear. And I said, I'm going to do it. And very, very sincerely for a month, I have practiced every day from a cycle to like a Vespa to a bullet. And I enjoyed that scene so much. I don't know how much
I
Ali
should
enjoyed
answer
it.
that question.
Come on, I wasn't bad. But for me, that was really exciting that I, you know, was able to enjoy it and be present, and hopefully it's turned out well. And also, I would never want to use one, but, you know, small things like loading a gun and just understanding that mechanism. So, yeah. And I'm really happy to be here with the whole cast because ये पहली बार शायद हुआ है कि हम सब इकट्ठे बैठे हैं. So, thank you for making it happen.
Amit, tell us your experience shooting with the Power Pack team once again after Inside Edge.
यार आई थिंक आप किसी टीम के साथ काम करते हो और वो आपको जब रिपीट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने पहले वाले में कोई अच्छा किया है. बट एक फनी स्टोरी है. आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग आई ऑडिशन फॉर मुन्ना या और ऑब्वियसली मैं क्यूट नहीं हूँ यार. तो मुन्ना मिला नहीं. फिर आई थिंक करण ने मुझे किसी इनसाइड एज की दारू पार्टी में बोला कि एक कैमियो है, करेगा क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ तू जो बोलेगा मैं करूँगा. तो
अच्छा हुआ आप दारू पी रहे थे उस समय.
तो बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक आने वाले सीज़न में भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा, हम सभी को आएगा. और मोस्टली मैं सबको जानता हूँ, मतलब अगर पर्सनली नहीं जानता हूँ तो बहुत काम देखा हुआ है. देर ऑल ब्रिलियंट. तो और एज अ फैमिली जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर हो गया है अभी एक्सेल के साथ, क्योंकि महीनों काम करना पड़ता है साथ में. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Okay, Harshita, this is the last question to you. You've had a fair amount of experience, you know, working on television series. How different is it shooting for a digital streaming series?
Well, TV gets monotonous at times because it runs for very long, for a long period of time. But I think digital series gives you a room for performance. Like, it just has that vibe to it. And plus, when I met these people, I was like, I have to be a part of it. So this was my first web thing I ever did, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I think, yeah, it gives you room for performance. I think creativity for everybody, like writer, actor, or anybody, which gets restricted in TV at some point. So that's what digital does to you.
Okay, so we open the floor for questions from the media now.
Yeah, hi, this is Sohil.
Yes.
Congratulations to the entire team of Mirzapur. My question is to
Thanks.
Ritesh. The trailer is awesome actually, or the promotion you can say is excellent actually. मतलब जो बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में होती है, I think so कि उनका promotion भी इस तरह नहीं होता, because we have been seeing जिस तरह की hoardings लगी है, एंड आई थिंक सो every actor will agree to that thing कि इस तरह की होर्डिंग शायद उन्होंने कभी इस तरह महसूस नहीं की. इंडिविजुअल होर्डिंग्स ऑल्सो व्हाट आर दे. माई क्वेश्चन इज के मिर्ज़ापुर की कुछ डिटेलिंग्स आप बताओगे कि ये किस तरह की मतलब ये सीरीज़ है, कितने एपिसोड में रहेगी, किस तरह से रिलीज़ करेंगे, और वन थिंग अबाउट द सेंसरशिप एक्चुअली कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गाइडलाइंस आर देयर फॉर द सेंसरशिप एक्चुअली, यू नो.
आई थिंक आपने काफ़ी सवाल एक ही सवाल में पूछ लिए, तो मुझे आई हैव टू रिमेंबर एंड से नाउ द ये जो जितने होर्डिंग्स लगे और जो मार्केटिंग आई कांट टेक
इट वाज एन appreciation actually.
हाँ, no, thank you. But I would like to take credit for that. The credit for that goes to the team at Amazon. There's Team Gaurav and the entire team which plans this. I think हमारा काम है एक compelling जैसे एक story होती है to make every story. Marketing हम हर तरीके से करते हैं. Now the best thing we can do is how can you create an urgency for some content which is good. I think which is what the team at Amazon have mastered, that whatever happens they know that जो ये show है ये theaters में नहीं लगने वाला है. It is going to be an individual viewing from your homes. It's the kind of the format is अलग के where they are wanting you to get into the show, and the kind of viewing जैसे होती है जो online platform पे, it is more binge watching. So it's not that एक episode आपने आज देखा और फिर 2 हफ्ते के बाद एक आएगा या अगले fortnight के बाद. However, I think so they have to make sure, I think so they know best about why are they doing this kind of marketing, because I think they're trying to draw the maximum urgency or draw attention, and once you get into the first episode their target is going to be that you don't leave off till you finish the 9th. So answering your next question, इसमें 9 episodes है. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि the kind of characters you see in it, जो फॉर्मेट है इसकी राइटिंग की, इट्स नॉट दैट यू कैन फिनिश इट इन 100 minutes or 90 minutes or 120. You all the characters grow on to you. You want to see more of them, and that's how the writers room runs. यहाँ पे काफ़ी टाइम समय जाता है एक्चुअली राइटिंग में ही, ऑलमोस्ट 9 to 12 months जाते हैं फ्रॉम द टाइम द स्टोरी बाइबल इज रिटन. बाइबल के बाद it takes almost 9 to 12 months to flesh out the screenplay, and then you get into. So I think the whole process is different. गाइडलाइन सेंसरशिप तो मैंने वो पहले भी कहा कि यू हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. देर इज़ नो गाइडलाइन. ऐसे नहीं कि विजय और एनीबडी फ्रॉम अमेजोन टेल्स अस कि आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. द क्रिएटिव इज लेफ्ट कंप्लीटली टू अस, बट यू हैव टू वॉट एवर यू डू, इट हैज़ टू बी ऑर्गेनिक, हैज़ टू बी ट्रू. It should not be forced. The minute it is forced, it will stand out, and then it won't be true, and you won't identify with it. So, like when you've seen in Inside Edge, uski jo authenticity, if you see the drugs, you see the power play which goes on in it, in terms of all the betting and the characters. So it's very different. मिर्ज़ापुर में एक अलग है authenticity. It's set in the heartland of the country. वहाँ पे guns का mafia. It's a story about, I would say it in my perspective, it's two brothers who are underdogs and who want to rise to power, and they use another alternate medium. They use the underworld to gain that power. That attracts them. So there are different ways. So I think we have stayed true to what the story is.